morning everyone. My name is Shafiq. I'm a coffee trainer here at Barista Experience Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a filter coffee using the AeroPress method. So, come and join us. So, for the recipe, we'll be using a single origin filter coffee. So, right here I have with me is the Ethiopia Methi roasted by ourselves. So, we'll be using these beans for the tutorial video. So the grind size for this bean will be target around medium coarse, so that is mostly suitable for filter coffee, so need to adjust your grinder accordingly. Okay, so for the brew recipe for this one, the ratio that we'll be using is 1:16. Meaning I'll be using 18 grams of input and the output will be around 288 grams. Okay, so basically the process is that after we grind our coffee grounds, we put it into the AeroPress and we pour around 60 grams of hot water inside and we let it blooming for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, after we finish with the blooming, we need to stir it for around 5 times again. So the next step, we'll need to pour all the water inside until 288 grams of hot water. Then we stir it for 5 more times. Okay, then we need to wait around 1 more minutes for the coffee to set, and then we stir 5 more times the last time, and then we can enter the plant and wait for it to set. Okay guys, so that's it for our AeroPress tutorial video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hope to see you again. Until next time.